Don't do this. What are you doing? Oh, my God, what are you doing? Put your hands behind your back like you told. Put your hands. What are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, please put your hands. Oh, my God, Jesus. Oh, my God. You broke my wrist, oh. My God, stop. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. Code 440 at place west of Central. Suspects in custody. I see him. No, that's the other guy. The other guy is over there. They pointed out two different people. They got the guy with the warrant. This guy, I had just got contact with him. I thought it was wrong with the war. No, that's why I was trying to... No, cause there's two different people. That's why I was trying to figure out if I had missed something. He told me to put his hands behind his back. Cause they pointed this guy out too. The people at the store pointed him out. Also, imagine walking down the street, minding your own business, when suddenly you're slammed to the ground by police without warning. Without explanation, a real-life nightmare that happened to Antonio Arnello Smith, a 46-year-old black man in Valdosta, Georgia. The shocking incident was caught on body cam footage, where a case of mistaken identity led to a brutal arrest, leading to several injuries and ultimately, $1 million lawsuit that rocked the local police department and the city, costing tax-paying citizens of America a huge amount. Due to unlawful actions of the cops, this is the body cam footage of the Valdosta police officer. The incident involving Antonio Arnello Smith and the Valdosta Police Department happened in Valdosta, Georgia, and sparked significant public attention due to allegations of excessive use of force and racial profiling. Antonio Arnello Smith was wrongfully detained and subjected to excessive force by Valdosta police officers. The incident began when police officers responded to a report of a man panhandling outside a Walgreens store. They were also seeking a man with an outstanding warrant for a parole violation. The individual police were seeking had a different description than Smith, but he was nonetheless confronted. Suspicious activity. What? Where about? They say they got some view that camera. I told them what I was doing. I was waiting for my sister. The Western Union needs some money. I always go there and get Western Union, and they know me. Hey, while Mr. Smith was going towards his home after coming, he had withdrawn cash sent by her sister from Florida, from a Walgreens store. This cop thought he was the suspicious man they had received the call about. Upon confrontation, Mr. Smith was found to be very cooperative, and even presented his identification, which he was not supposed to provide under the law of Georgia. The state of Georgia has a loitering and prowling statute, Arga Section 1611-36, which allows police to ask for identification under very specific circumstances. The statute says that if a person is in a place, at a time, or under circumstances that would reasonably lead an officer to believe the person is engaged in criminal activity, the officer can ask the individual to explain their presence and provide identification. Hey, you got your ID on you? Yes, I got my ID. What are you guys doing? I'm out here investigating some suspicious activity. So I'm not doing anything. I've been around cameras, so I ain't been doing nothing. All right, so what were you doing over there at the Walgreens? Waiting on for Western Union. Call my sister right now. She's in Florida. You have a cell phone, call her. Mr. Smith was found to be cooperative. He informed the cops he was just coming from Western Union, and her sister just sent him the money. The cop can confirm that by calling her. While Mr. Smith was informing the cop about details of where he had been, this cop named Officer Billy Wheeler had other plans in his mind. He just saw a black man being questioned by the cop. This was it, ask nothing more. Read no rights, just detain him. Don't call who like this, call my sister in Florida. Don't do this. What are you doing? Oh, my God, what are you doing? Put your hands behind your back, like you told. In the case involving Officer Billy Wheeler and Antonio Arnello Smith, several laws and constitutional protections were violated, such as a violation of the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause, which indicates that Smith was targeted or treated unfairly based on racial profiling. This amendment protects him, as it guarantees equal protection under the law for all citizens. Official Code of Georgia Annotated, Section May 16, 23. 1, which is about battery. In Georgia, a battery occurs when a person intentionally causes substantial physical harm or visible bodily harm to another. The force used by Officer Wheeler, which allegedly resulted in fractures and injuries, falls under this statute if deemed excessive and unnecessary. Mr. Smith was the victim of another violation of the Official Code of Georgia, annotated section October 16, 24, which is about violation of oath by a public officer. This law applies if an officer fails to uphold their duty to protect and serve if Wheeler acted outside his legal authority. He could face repercussions under this statute. Official Code of Georgia, annotated section January 13th, 51 was also violated, which is about tort of assault and battery. In civil cases, excessive force could be grounds for a civil tort claim for assault and battery under Georgia law, especially where bodily harm is involved, such as in case of Mr. Smith. Put your hands. What are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, please. Put your hands. Don't do anything. Oh, my God, Jesus. Oh, my God, you broke my wrist. Oh, my God, stop. Oh, my God. Yeah, he might be broke. Mr. Smith was detained brutally. His face, shoulder, and wrist were subjected to injuries. When Officer Billy thrashed him on the ground, he was crying from pain. Something serious had happened, and the other officers also noticed that instantly, Mr. Smith's wrist was broken, his shoulder dislocated, and his face smashed. Officer Billy's face demonstrated expressions of instant regret. He knew he had made a terrible mistake. But this was not it. There was more to the incident. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. 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 Oh, Jesus. Oh, it hurts. Oh, my God, yeah. Hold on, please, sir. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it hurts. I'm gonna take it off. Hold on. We're gonna take it off. We're gonna take it up your arm. Oh, dude. Oh, it hurt. 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 I'm gonna take it off. I want you to relax. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay. Okay, okay. Lay down, lay down. Oh, my God. Okay, okay. Oh, sir. Get me on my back, yeah? Well, we'll get to that in just a second, all right? One thing at a time, it's coming. Do that in a second, okay? It's coming. Hold on. Put this arm up over your head. Back up. Put this arm up over your head. What did you got the best thing for? You have a warrant for your ass, please. Hey, this was the guy with the warrants over there. Oh, what are you doing here, huh? This was it, the deciding moment when the cops knew they messed up. Their faces were like, this cannot be possible. Officer was informed on the radio and told others they had detained wrong guy. The other guy they were looking for was found somewhere else. Mr. Billy could not look up. He was shocked. What did he just do? He hurt an innocent citizen. Huh. No, there's two different people. 'Cause they pointed this guy out to me. So anyone told about us 27 and 29 through Florida? OLM, please. CR 53174. Seal. Flawanero. Officer was sharing details of the incident on the radio and putting 1029 on the ID of Mr. Smith to check for any outstanding warrants or status as wanted in connection with a crime, or to check for whether he was flagged as a missing person, fugitive, or has any other law enforcement alerts. Officer Billy could still be seen in the background checking on Mr. Smith. He knew it hurt him and he was regretting his actions instantly. He immediately removed the handcuffs he put on him. Officer Billy's face was saying it all. I got you, we will. Here, please sit. We got you all right, just stay on the ground. No, that's the other guy. The other guy is over there. They pointed out two different people. They got the guy with the warrant, this guy. I had just got contact with him. I thought it was wrong with the war. No, that's why I was trying to... No, cause there's two different people. That's why I was trying to figure out if I had missed something. He told me to put his hands behind his back. Cause they pointed this guy out too. The people at the store pointed him out also. Don't move your arm, okay? Don't move your arm.
I ain't tell me something.
I thought he was the one officer Billy with guilt on him. Started confronting and putting the blame on his fellow officer. It's all your mistake, you led me to believe this guy was a criminal. The officers started arguing with each other. No, well, I thought I had missed something. We told him to put his hands behind his back. That's why I thought I had missed something. Because it's two different people. They just pointed this guy out to me. Who did in reference to what? Reference to whatever was going on over there. They said this is the guy. But apparently there's another guy over there too, cause the lady... They wanted CT on him as well. I don't know, I hadn't even asked, they just said right there. Right there. I'm Antonio in 1607, the one that be calling about the witches all the time. One other officers did not know what to do now. They were so confused and the looks on their faces were miserable. I'm so confused, what, wait. Okay, so it's not the one with the warrant. No. Apparently he has a warrant. So whenever they were talking to him, swore. So come over here and see if there's another guy. Because that guy said, hey, there's another guy also, so when I walk on inside of the store, people are there like that guy. That guy. I was like, he's walking through the red roof. So I thought this was the guy that they were calling about. He said, because that guy said, he's not the one that had to call him. He said it was this guy. So whenever he was walking down, I was like, I went back to go grab my car and I got him stopped here, and then he was like, hey, put your hands in your back. And I thought that I had missed something. Oh my God, did you get his ID and stuff? Yeah, he's drunk. Yeah, he's good, yeah. Hold on, sir. Hold on. We got an ambulance coming, okay? You don't want to talk to the ambulance. Oh my God. Hold on, sir. Sir, just one second. Can you just hang out and let ambulance look at you? I'm fine, just hold on. Just give me 1 second. Let me talk to somebody real quick. Hurry up, okay? And I'll be right back, I'll talk to you. Hurry up, all right? And as I was getting ready to put my hands behind my back... Oh, you said what, man? As I was getting ready to put my hands behind my back, he forcefully pick me up. Okay, I know what happened. Mr. Smith was hurt, yet he was polite. He did not say anything to the cops. He did not want anything else to do with the cops. He simply wanted to go home. He told them he did not need them to take his care anymore and let him go. He was just hurting. His arm clearly seemed fractured and his shoulder was in pain. He could not stand anymore. Hey man, let me get your address real quick. Hey, what's your phone number? Hey, what's your phone number, buddy? Doors fired. 319867. It's not on, it's disconnected. All right, and what's your last, Hey, you still got his ID. I'll give it back to you, okay? Hey, you got your ID, That'll just make it a little bit faster. And Parker Jerry Leonard. You don't need it, Just tell me your first name. To a guy who just broke his wrist and slammed him on the ground. Mr. Smith was being a real man, smiled to those who hurt you. Then he left quietly, did not wait for the ambulance to arrive. I need to get a new one, I'm sorry. Don't worry about it, I'm sorry. You don't want to wait. No. You sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. Publican. We're gonna be coming there. If you want to cancel with him, you want it back in your pocket or not here, put it in your pocket. Me explain to you what was happening, right? Okay. I heard the whole thing, okay? You don't want to wait for the EMS. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. All right. Mr. Smith was at first reluctant to proceed against the Valdosta Police Department. However, after the media got hold of the body cam footage, the public was furious. Mr. Smith's attorney, Nathaniel Huggebrook, filed a federal lawsuit on his behalf. Mr. Smith had initially sought compensation and punitive damages in the amount of $0.7 million. New tonight, a very intense scene in Valdosta. Police body cam video just released, showing officers slamming the wrong man to the ground. Breaking his wrist. It happened at a Walgreens in Valdosta. CBS 46 is Brittany Miller is live in Midtown. And Brittany, you spoke with that man's attorney, right? I did, and he revealed 3 things to me tonight. Number 1, his client, Antonio Smith, is terrified. Number 2, he's filed this federal lawsuit against the Valdosta Police Department. And number 3, he says, the officers you're about to see are still working with the force. Tonight, the demands for justice surged even more after public outrage. Because in the same year when this police body cam footage surfaced, there was a national outcry over police brutality against people of color, sparked by the May 25 killing of George Floyd in Minneapolis. The case went on for a year. The legal battle ended in Mr. Smith winning the case and settling for a satisfactory amounts of money. A spokeswoman for Valdosta City Hall, Ashlyn Johnson, confirmed the settlement offer. In exchange for $350,000 and the creation of the Citizen Review Board, it says Smith would drop all claims in his lawsuit. Officers confronted Smith on a clear, sunny day after a drugstore employee called the police to report a man who was harassing customers and asking for money outside. Officers found 2 suspects nearby who fit the description. They learned one of them had an outstanding arrest warrant. The other was Smith attorneys for Lieutenant Billy Wheeler. The officer seen on camera, wrapping Smith in a bear hug and slamming the man to the ground, said in court filings that he mistakenly believed Smith was the wanted man, and they let Smith go without charges, and he left the scene without waiting for paramedics to arrive.